Hey traders, control the trade here, and a very quick video. I wanted to see if we can catch this live. If you've been following my tweets today, SPY looks like it's trying to reverse here. Oops. Little housekeeping. Okay, so it looks like it's trying to reverse here. Looking for that to happen around 130, 140. And at the same time, I was looking for an Amazon reversal. The problem is we don't have a lot of volume. So let's see what happens. I'll set an alert here. It's definitely looking better than it was, even though we're in a nice little downtrend here. All we need is, it's like a little tipping point. We just need one little candle close above, let's say, this candle here, which the high is 32.95.58. One candle close above that could really change the shape of this chart. Right now, it's a slow grind on a Friday. But here's an interesting one I wanted to bring up. These lines have been on this chart for a while. I got Fibonacci retracements here. I have to look back and see when those are from. Kind of an old chart. But look how much the market is respected. 1125 and 1297. I think that's pretty fascinating. And now we're kind of in that range right now. So I've been using that to trade against. Look at Palantir. Hope you caught my second video on Palantir, where we talked about $30 being resistance, and that the doji candle from yesterday looked like it was a good sign, and the after hours activity looked like it was a good sign that we were going to get a move up today. Now, for the bull case, you really got to close above this 50 period moving average. After doing a nice gap up like this, you got to close above that. That would be really important and really bullish, I think, if we can close right above 2887. So let's set some alerts here, and we'll take a peek at a couple more. Fridays are tough to trade on, but it's still good to be aware of these charts. Is an important weekly close that's going to happen today. TLRY getting back above the 20 period moving average here. Did we ever close below it? Close here was, I gotta fix my chart so I can read this easier. 31.51. Nope, just kidding. We're live here, right? 27.10. And the 20 period, 26.98. So just above that. Let's go back to Amazon. Oops. I think I'm on Twitter. Ooh, that's my daily. Let's get back to the 10-minute chart. Yeah, I mean, really, this is really bearish, but when you're looking for a reversal, it's got to be bearish first, right? So as long as we can stay above the low of this candle here, we have a shot. But if we start like trailing down slowly with no volume, then my thesis of reversal is gone, and it's the shit trade, and the day will just kind of progress on and trail off, and we'll just kind of chop shop on the SPY and like between like 389 and 391. But this is expected though. You get a little pullback here, maybe trick, you know, a little trick here in the market to make you think, okay, we are going back down. We got a little bear flag pattern going here, right? But it still to me looks like we're gonna make, at least we're gonna try to make a run here. We'll have a true test right there. Same with Palantir. Look how that on the 10-minute chart, how the 20 period moving average is being respected here, getting rejected. I saw that happen a lot yesterday, so be aware of that. SPY is trailing off a little bit. This one I've been waiting for a breakout forever. Looking good right now. Got to keep closing candles above 54, and of course the high of the day. Now what else did we have on the for live here? ZNGA. This is an incredibly bullish chart, but a really slow, frustrating mover. It really doesn't do anything. I mean, this looked so good out of the gate, and the close was amazing yesterday. Other than, well, it was a red doji. That's actually a little, no, that's today. Look at this amazing close yesterday. We made a new high. Let's see. 12.10. You know what? They pulled back at the end of the day. I forgot. We wanted to close above this candle at 12.27, and we didn't. So, I mean, it's still a great pattern here, great consolidation. You can see 11 I had on the chart here for a while, and I was waiting for that. It was resistance for a while, and then once it broke out, look how it gapped above it, or gapped on it. Let's see. We opened right on 11. That is cool. That usually tells me that it's going to be bullish. So we're going to kind of chop around in here, knowing 11 is your support. And I think if you go back and look at the history of this chart, we're trying to get up to like 15 for a target, maybe 14.50. Oops, always does that. We're almost at my target here. I've been talking about this one for months and months. Looking good. I'm sure pullbacks are imminent, but still looks great. Go back to the 10-minute chart, and we're going to wrap this video up. It's, you know, it would have been a lot cooler to see this start to turn green here. There's just no volume, so keep an eye on it. So we set the alerts, sit on the sidelines, be a spectator. Fridays suck for trading. Shouldn't be trading this late in the day anyway, but if I see something, if I see things start to pick up, if I see volume picking up or any kind of reversal in the market, I want to be part of it. So that's why I set alerts and just make sure I have an awareness. There's one more I'm going to throw in here because it's on the move here. Look at, yeah. This one's been great on the daily. If you look at the daily chart, look at that move. This is an old line, 2105. Tried breaking out of it. And look, did we gap up again here? Close was 2101. And the open was 2115. Unbelievable how these numbers can work. And I know that when I'm close like that, or there's a gap above these numbers, I know they're important, and I leave them on the chart because they tend to be magnetic. This one I really want to keep a nice eye on. This is a great pattern. We have developing here another gap up right here. Definitely a tricky one to trade, though, as you can see some of these candles. Alright, so that'll wrap it up. We'll do one last look. I keep saying that. What are you doing, Amazon? Whoa, messed my chart up. Okay, green's good. So keep an eye on this. Hope you're having a great day. And be careful trading out there. There's always a lot of volatility coming up. Remember, don't let the trade control you.